When comparing HubSpot Service Hub versus Intercom for the best help desk software, it can be tough to figure out which one is the right fit for your business. Both tools offer powerful features to streamline customer support, but they each have their strengths and weaknesses. In this video, we're diving into both to help you make a more informed decision, but stick around to the end for a surprising recommendation you might not have considered. Trust me, you'll want to hear it. First, let's talk about HubSpot Service Hub. One of its standout features is the ease of use. HubSpot's interface is clean, simple, and integrates seamlessly with the rest of their suite of marketing tools. This makes it a great choice if you're already using HubSpot for your CRM or marketing automation. The ticketing system is intuitive, and you can easily track customer issues with custom properties. Next thing to consider is HubSpot's knowledge base. It allows you to create a self-service portal, which can reduce the number of tickets you receive by empowering customers to find answers on their own. You can also set up live chat with a bot that's customizable to meet your needs. However, this is where HubSpot starts to lose some points. While it offers a lot, the Service Hub is more limited when it comes to advanced functionality and customization, especially in the automation department. Moving on to Intercom, this tool is known for its focus on customer messaging and real-time support. If you're looking to engage with customers proactively, Intercom offers more flexibility with live chat and bots. Their automation features are some of the best in the industry, allowing you to set up highly customized workflows. Intercom also offers product tours, which can be a huge help for onboarding new customers. However, it's not all perfect with Intercom. The biggest drawback? Pricing. Intercom can get pretty expensive, especially as you scale. Their features are more advanced, but they come at a premium. For small businesses, this could be a deal breaker, especially since some of the more basic features are locked behind higher tier plans. The fourth thing to consider is customer support. Both HubSpot and Intercom offer support via chat, email, and phone, but HubSpot offers a more robust help center for self-service, whereas Intercom support is better suited to those who prefer personalized help. HubSpot's support, although solid, doesn't quite match Intercom's level of personalization in addressing complex issues. Now, let's talk integrations. HubSpot excels here, offering seamless connections to numerous third-party apps. If you're already using HubSpot for other aspects of your business, this is a huge win. Intercom is not far behind, though it's a bit more selective with the integrations they support. That being said, it's more than enough for most use cases. At this point, you're probably wondering which software takes the lead. Well, while both HubSpot Service Hub and Intercom have impressive features, neither is perfect. HubSpot's simplicity and integration are fantastic for small to mid-sized businesses, but if you need a more robust, customizable system with strong messaging features, Intercom could be a better choice. However, after trying both of them myself, I found that there's actually a better option out there, one that combines the best features of both and more at a price that won't break the bank. If you're looking for a help desk solution that truly offers value, I recommend checking out the first link in the description for a free trial. Through our link, you'll get exclusive benefits that you won't find anywhere else. Trust me, after testing HubSpot Service Hub versus Intercom, this option is a game changer for those who want the most bang for their buck. Take advantage of the trial and see for yourself.